Happy Sunday. You might be thinking that I'm drinking coffee or tea, but I actually don't like either, and the reason is not any health reason, it's just I don't like the taste. It's just water. One time I started drinking green tea, and in the beginning I hated it, but I actually like green tea. I mean, I don't drink it like on a regular basis. Sometimes when my mom makes green tea, I drink it. This is just water, and my bottle is dirty. That's why I'm drinking from this. The books which I bought in July, I read some of them, and how I actually read those books, my methods and all. I'm a new reader. Like, I'm not. I think I started this year. I've always loved reading, but it was not a very systematic thing. It was like sometimes I read from Wattpad, and I was addicted to Wattpad. Sometimes I downloaded some novels PDF and I just read. There was like no system or plan. I just read spontaneously, and you know what? Spontaneous is fun actually. I don't hate it. I've always loved reading since my childhood. Before the mobile era, my source of entertainment was reading. I used to read newspapers. Those novels, Champak, Nandan, Nani Samrat. Yeah, I just finished them in like half hour or 1 hour. Beautiful days. Hello. Today I'm going to share the books which I bought in July. Mind you, these are the books which I bought in July and not read in July. I'm quite busy, so I don't get a chance to read every day. But I do read every day. Okay, I'll tell you my method which I specifically follow. So for self-help books, like books like this, Current Trick, this Miracle Morning, I have a 2-page rule. And this every morning, even if I'm busy like hell, but I have to read a minimum of 2 pages of a book which I'm currently reading, and it takes hardly 1 minute because 2 pages is like very very less. And now I have tried to increase it to 10 page, and it's really helpful for self-help books. I love doing this technique, and this is I think my first self-help book, The Miracle Morning. I love it. I think it has really helped me. So let us start from the book which I already read last Saturday. It was Eleanor and Park. So have a look at this beautiful beautiful book. Eleanor and Park is a story of two people, young teenage love, you can say, Eleanor and Park, and it's just not about their love. It's a story about complexes, things you only face when you are a teenage. You don't have enough money, you don't have your own house or anything, you live with your parents, and you're limited in so many aspects, and so many things matter for you. These two people which were weirdly different, they fell in love by sharing their music tastes and everything, and I read it on last Saturday. So if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen those excerpts from the books in my stories. So first book I was telling you about is the Eleanor and Park. Okay, so yeah, that's it, and it's written by Rainbow Rowell. All the books I bought are from Amazon. I just randomly ordered some books which I liked. That is my method. No research, nothing, just randomly. Okay, these books looks nice. And okay, now let's move on to the second book, which The Miracle Morning is almost to the end. So for my morning schedule, I am planning to read this book, and this is like a very very famous book, so you might have guessed it right. It's the Atomic Habits. It's the Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book is like highly recommended to me. Like everyone who read it, they were like, this has changed their life. And I am the master procrastinator. Build habit. To achieve your goals, you definitely need to build good habits. I'm really excited to read this and include this in my morning routine. Okay, so this video is sponsored by... I'm kidding. This video is not sponsored. Don't go. Okay, let us talk about next book. This one is We Were Liars. So my initial plan was to read this book yesterday, but I did not get enough time, and today I woke up at 10 a.m. I slept at 4 a.m. That was like really bad. So I haven't read this book this weekend, and this was the plan to read this book. This is also fiction. On weekends I love reading fiction because fiction reading is for fun, and I just read it in one go. I don't wait. I can't wait actually. I'm just curious what will happen next, so I read it in one go. Let's see if I read this tonight or next weekend. Let's see. This has been here since like long time. This one is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma, and this is another very famous book which I wanted to read since long time. I don't know what it's about. It's a self-help book as far as I know, but I'm curious about the title, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. This is what I get from the title. I haven't read the book. There's a monk, there's some rich person who actually gave up his rich life. That's what I get, but let's see. Excited for this book. Hardbound cover, like, have a look. The cover is so good, like, so precious. I love such, hardbound covers. And the book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. First of all, I love how beautiful this book is. Like, I really love this. This is so beautiful. And the second thing is, this book is also a very, very famous and recommended book. And I have not read the most famous books and recommended books like Atomic Habits, and also I just wanted to get them done first, then I can move to the unpopular ones. So I'm excited for this one. Let's see, my goal is to read one self-help book through my morning 2-page schedule every month, and fiction I just read on the weekends. We talk about the last book of this month, and this book is so pretty, like literally the color. Look at the book. I mean, it's so beautiful. Ikigai. Okay, the name of this book is Ikigai. It's so beautiful. I have a dream. I had this dream since like a long time. I don't even remember, years, to build my own library, and I think this would look so good. I don't have a library right now. I have like 15 to 16 books. So this is beautiful. And also this book is also one of the famous and most famous, and I have heard some criticism about this book too, but I cannot say anything before reading. And I actually read one comment when someone told me, instead of reading this book, you can actually read the picture on the back of this book. So this picture they were talking about, what you love, what you're good at, what you paid for. So we need to combine our passion, mission, profession and vocation. This is what this picture says. This is what I understand. But I'm excited to read this, and as this is a self-help book, so this will definitely be included in my morning routine. I don't want to overwhelm myself by having a morning book and a night book, because I am very new to this. I have started, this kind of self-help reading recently. I'm very new to this. Have a nice week, and I hope you like this video. If you want to see such type of videos and different type of videos, anything, just subscribe to me. If you want to, you can. And yeah, see you on Thursday. Bye. Have a nice week.